Welcome if you're joining. You are welcome if you are just joining. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss out on my analysis. Okay. You're welcome. You're just joining. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Make sure you're clicking on the subscribe button. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're currently on UJ, as you can see. We're on this trade. Let me change this color for those that really don't want some persons to be confused at this. Okay, good. This is better. Okay, so we have this live trade, as you can see. So if you're joining, feel free to ask any question, and also feel free to, if you want me to analyze a pair for you, drop it in the comment section and I will do just that. Okay, I will do just that. So we have this analysis running, and currently we have this trade. I took some of this trade around here. Let me go bring my screen too, so that I can do some drawings for you guys. If you are a beginner trader, you're welcome. At DeworldFX here, I teach the simplest way The simplest way is how you trade. Start following. Okay. If you're on TikTok, you can go and look for the DeworldFX Academy. Make sure you're following. Also on Facebook, the DeworldFX Academy, and Instagram too. So if you watch here, you're going to see we have this market making lower lows here. We have the lower low here, lower low here, lower low here too. So that means it was trending down, okay? Because we have higher low here, we have higher low here, higher low here, which gave us this. So which means it was trending down. If you watch this, the market was trending down like this, okay? So, but now this downtrend is broken. You can see it's broken, and this market is trending up, okay? So that was where I got my confirmation from this point here, and you can watch, and if you see clearly, you see that is where I took my buy trades, okay? I took these positions, you can see multiple positions from there, okay? And you can see we are running all positive from that same position, okay? So firstly, before you take your positions on any trade, make sure, I will say again, make sure that you are already sure to an extent, you've done your analysis and you know the direction of the market, okay? Make sure you know the direction of the market. Feel free to drop your your chart. Who is the moderator? I didn't ask for this, for Christ's sake, please. Okay. Okay, here we go. Feel free, if you want me to analyze anything, feel free to. But please, if you're just joining, please tap on the like button. Tap on the emoji. Just tap on the emoji and show some love. Just tap on the emoji, okay? Tap on the emoji. So what I was trying to say here is, before you take that trade, make sure you have done a comprehensive analysis. Okay, make sure you've done a comprehensive analysis, because that is what differentiates your trade, a profitable trade from a non-profitable trade. Okay, I will take a look at. Let me see what is happening to. Okay, what happened? Why am I getting this? Okay, let me see why I'm getting this. Okay, I'm live already. So what's happening? So what's happening? So what's happening? So what's happening? Okay. Sorry, I think we are back now. So going by the analysis, which is what I'm trying to say, I was saying that before you take a position, before you take a trade, make sure, please, if you're just joining, click on the emoji button. Just make sure you appreciate this session and also share so others can know we are live too, and let's all learn together. So before you take that position, make sure you have a clear direction as to where the market is going to. Yeah. Students from the academy knows that I keep saying that you don't take any trade until you know the direction of the market. Now let's look at this is a daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. On this daily time frame, if you watch closely, you can see we have the market making lower heights. This is our overall high. This is a lower high. This is a lower high here. We have a lower high here. We have this and we have this. So if you look closely, you'll see this is a downtrend from a long period. This market has been trending down. Okay, from November, it has been trending down. Now the question is this market still going downwards, or is it now reversing? Because if a market is trending, that trend is not going to last forever. Okay, the market is not going to be trending in a particular direction forever. It should trend at a particular time based on the market. And when I mean market, based on the trader's opinion, which is called trader sentiment, and also some fundamentals that can affect or direct the currency's move. Okay, so if you have a market trending downward like this, which is a downtrend, you should put your eyes down to know how long will this trend last and when will it be reversing, or if where you're meeting it is yet to continue, you know if there's a continuation happening at that time. Okay, so on this daily time frame, we can see on the daily time frame now, this daily time frame, we have this downtrend and we are meeting the market just here. So here we are meeting the market. The question will be, what is happening currently at this point? Okay, what is happening currently at this point, so we can know whether we are joining the new trend or we are going to be on a continuation. So what we do here now is we now come to this daily time frame where we are. Mind you, we have this market giving us, follow me, I'm going to be giving you guys a very important tip. Okay, let me see. If I can see like 5 likes, then I will start giving you guys this tip. If you're just joining, let me see the like emoji. When I see like 5 likes, then I'll start spilling the top secrets you need to know. For now, I will just be explaining so you get to understand what exactly is happening here. So, firstly, your analysis determine how profitable you can be. I will say that again. Your analysis has a long way to determine how profitable you can be. No one can determine your trade more than you, because your analysis is what you have seen in the market. And definitely you will be trading based on what you have seen. You cannot be trading someone else's analysis because you are not seeing what they analyze. Okay, but what you analyze and you're trading is what you have seen, and you'll be trading based on what you have seen. Okay, so as I said earlier, so looking at this now, you can see, okay, let me now go down. I want to see like 3 emojis, 3 likes at least. Then I will start teaching you guys one of the secrets to know a trend continuation or reversal. If you're joining or not subscribed, go and click on the subscribe button. And also, let me see the likes. I want to see the likes. I want to see the emoji. Please, this will help us. It will help YouTube to share this live session to others. So I'm waiting for you guys. Let me see more of your likes. Then I'll start spilling how you can identify a trend continuation or trend reversal. Okay, so let's do this. Let's all do this. If you're joining, you're welcome. Just keep liking. Also share this live session. Share while you're joining. Okay. So now what I'm trying to say here is, for those that are joining, I'm going to be going straight up. I'm going to be bringing one of the most important secrets you need to know when trading. And one of the secrets is to identify the trend. And how do you identify that trend? Now, on the overall, we have here, this market is trending down. And as it's trending down, what we really want to know is, are we taking a sell or we are taking a buy? Okay. Are we trading the trend? This is the downtrend. Are we trading this direction of the trend, or we are trading this direction of the trend? That is one thing you will leave this live session with today. You will leave this live session today identifying whether you're taking a buy or you're taking a sell. So this is the thing. These are one of the things you are going to be leaving the live session today. So while you're learning, keep tapping on that screen. Let me see the likes. Let me see the share. Okay, let's go ahead now. Now, first thing you need to identify before you take that trade is the trend. And how do you identify the trend of the market? Is when the market is making a new highs and new lows. That is how you identify the trend. What do I mean by new highs and new lows? Now, let's look at this together. Let's look at this together. Okay, sorry, I want to have a clear chart. Okay, fine. Now, let's look at this together. I'm going to bring the chart back. I'm going to bring it back. I just want a clear chart. Now, follow me, guys. As I said, if you have a question, feel free to drop it in the comment section, okay? Feel free to drop it in the comment section. Now, this is market. Now, this is market. This is market. This is market. Fine. Now, in this direction, this market is trending up. Is an uptrend. The market is going up. While in this case, this market is downtrend. Is trending down. Now, the difference between these both of them now is that the way to identify this trend is the market forming new highs and new lows. Okay? So now let me start from this uptrend now. Now, this uptrend is that the market is forming new highs and new lows. Now, what do I mean by that? Follow me now, guys. I said you're going to leave this live session with something very, very educating today. So you're going to know you came to the DeworldFX live session and you went or you left with something. Now, this is it. How we identify an uptrend, even without drawing your trend line, is to see that this is the previous high we have. Now we have another higher high that is higher than the previous one. Okay, we have a higher high. This is higher than this previous one. This is higher than this previous one. This is higher than this previous one. So once you can identify the market forming a higher high, the next you want to go and look for is a higher low. This is a low, but this one is a higher low. It's higher than the previous low. This is a higher low. It's higher than this other low. This one is higher than the previous low, higher than the previous low. So once you see the market forming higher highs and higher lows, we call it an uptrend. Okay, then you connect them. That is how we have the uptrend like this. Okay, so we call it an uptrend. So the reason why most of you guys take trades and you keep stopped out or you keep losing is because you're yet to identify the original trend of the market, not the noisy trend. We have the noisy trend. That noisy trend are the ones you see on the smaller time frame. And most of the time, they are really not trend. They are just pullback. Okay, they are really not trend. They are just pullback. So if you can identify the overall trend of the market, then you have solved about 80% of your trading. You have solved about 80% of your trading. The next thing you just need to do is to, know your risk management, probably how much lot you're trading, take profit target, and apply other stuff like psychologies and the rest of them. So these ones I'm saying now are deeper courses at the academy when we teach. Okay, so firstly, you need to identify this thing that is called trend. Okay, once you can identify it, you can see such a trade like this. You can take them easily if only you can identify your trend properly. Okay, so how do we do this? Firstly, I just talked about how to identify an uptrend. Okay, so now I will also go and do the inverse on how we can identify a downtrend, which is the inverse of the uptrend. So if you can identify these two, mind you, I said the uptrend is when you confirm that you're seeing higher highs and higher lows. This is an uptrend confirmation. Higher highs and higher lows. This is an uptrend confirmation. Okay, so let's go back and let's look out for the downtrend scenario. Okay, so we're done with this uptrend. Now the downtrend is similar as talking about the uptrend. Now for the downtrend, you can see that we have this overall high here, but as the market is going down, is making what we call lower highs. This is lower high. This is a lower high. This is a lower high. So it's lower than the previous high. Each of the new high is lower than the previous high. And you also see what you call lower low. Okay. What do I mean by that? This is the low of this high. Okay. This is the low of this high. So if it is making another low, the next low you should see should be lower than this other one. So this is the next low. It's lower than the previous low. This is the next low. It's lower than the previous low. This is another next low. It's lower than the previous low. So what you will see is the market making new lower highs and lower low. This is your simple identification of a downtrend. This is your simple method to identify a downtrend. Now, it is not all traders that take trades that know what they are doing. And when I mean know what they're doing is, everybody seems to be able to say I can trade or I can analyze. But there is something we call deep insight, like structures of the market. These structures are like the figures that tells you in a real time what you're expecting, the next move you're expecting from the market. Okay, this next move we're talking about is you, just like you prophesying on the next direction of the market. And this is not what a regular trader can do. It takes and a trader with a high insight like a master trader to do that. And that is one of the things I'm bringing your way now. Okay. So after you've identified these higher, lower lows and lower, lower lows and lower highs, what you need to do is you connect them just like this now. You can see we have a downtrend. Okay. So the simplest way to do this is to look at your chart. In my early days, I would say this little story. I just hope it doesn't bore you. So, but this will help you learn. In my early days, while I was trading, I never knew there are some analyses that are very, very important. Like most of the early days of trading, I will just open my chart, look at the candles. I will see one buy candle, and I will just click buy. All of a sudden, probably I might see like $2, $3, $5 profit. All of a sudden, you start going back to sell, and I will see like minus 20 or minus 30. I will close the sell. I will close the buy, sorry, and I'll take a sell. That same minute I just close that buy to take a sell, it will reverse and start buying again. If you have experienced this, please just type yes in the comment section. If you experience this, just type yes in the comment section. So now what happens is I will close the buy and I'll take sell. And immediately I take the sell, just in a few minutes. Okay, does anybody say yes? If you have experienced this, just say yes in the comment section. Okay, yes, quotes. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you on that. So please, if you're live, click on the like button. Make sure you're clicking on the like button. Click on the emojis. This will help YouTube to share this live session to others so that they know we are live and we all should learn together. It's a free session, guys. It's a free one. Okay, so unless for those that want to join the masterclass, that is where I go deep and expose the secrets of being a profitable trader and how you can trade like this. So now, what I do then is, and when this is happening, you will not be thinking it is a village people that are doing you. It's not a village people. They are very innocent, okay? They are innocent. So what I'm trying to tell you now is I'm bringing back this chart. I want to believe you've already understood what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm bringing back, these are the trade we are holding. This is the entry. Killer sniper entries. If I go down, you see the sniper entries, and these are the positions you can see here. These are all the positions, okay? So now what I'm trying to tell you is, when you see this, I'll go to the live chart and you see this. Now, this is what I'm trying to tell you. This is what I'm trying to tell you. I will pick at least 2 lucky persons to give them my beginner course note for free. 2 persons, the most commented and active persons, I'll give them my beginner e-note for free. Now, while we learn, feel free to ask your questions. Now, I want to go deep to tell you what exactly is your problem. Why you keep blowing that account, you're blowing every time. You keep blowing that account every time. Now, this is it. I was once in your shoe. That is why I'm here to teach you this. I was once in your shoe. Once you see this buy candle now, mind you, let's start from this. You see this long sell candle, this one. Okay? Once you see that long sell candle, you now rush and you take a sell. I'll do this, so this will help. Fine, this will help. Okay, better. Let me do this. This should be 2 pixel 2, pixel 2. Let's make it white and we are good. Good. Now follow me. This will help you. Now imagine, look at this red candle now. Please, if you are there, you can hear me, just type yes in the comment section. I want to be sure you guys are following. Type yes. Type yes. Let me be sure you are following. Let me take some water. Okay. Consider me, okay. What's the name? Okay, so now this is it. Let's go. Now, imagine you saw this red candle, this particular one, this red one, this long one, and you took a sell. Follow me. You took a sell. Let me take water, guys. Okay, now we are back. So you saw this red candle, this just this red one, and you took a sell without comprehensive technical analysis. Okay, without comprehensive technical analysis, and you took a sell. Now, let's say you took that sell. Let's say you took that sell somewhere around here, and all of a sudden, this market was here. You were in profit. Let's say $20 profit or thereabout, and all of a sudden, you now saw that it started buying again from here. You see the buy here. Now, when you saw the buy here, your mind you took yourself somewhere, and when the buy is somewhere around here, you'll be at loss. You will now close this sell you took here, and now you say, okay, it is buying now. Let me take a buy. Please follow me. Now you take a buy at this point here. You take a buy here. All of a sudden, the market starts selling now. Look at this candle now. It's a sell candle. You please, if what I'm saying is your experience, just say yes. I want to be sure I'm talking to the right persons this evening. I want to save some traders this evening. Now, you just saw this buy. You saw this buy here. Okay? You saw this buy. And all of a sudden, you now close the sell, took a buy here, just here. And all of a sudden, you saw the market start selling now. Selling. You now find out that I'm in loss. So now, listen, let me tell you, you have $100. Inside $100, when you take the sell here, you were in profit. But when you came back here, you are now having minus, let's say you have minus 10, for instance, now. And so it's buying. While you took a sell, you saw it buying here, you closed that minus 10. You have 90 now. Out of that 90 now, you now took a buy from here, you closed, so you took a buy. And as you took that buy, it started coming down. Follow me. It started coming down. Now you now have again minus 10. Just here. Now this minus 10, you don't say, he's selling. Okay, you now close that minus 10 again. How much do you have left? Please, someone drop in the comment section. How much do you have left? From the balance you have now, you now say, okay, probably this market is selling. You now close this buy you took here. You have a balance of 80. You now close this buy here, and you took a sell just at this point here. Immediately, you start buying now. And this is what we call revenge trading. I'm going to be talking about revenge trading in the next live session. Okay? The next live session, I'm going to be talking about revenge trading and how very dangerous it is to a trader. Now, if you saw this, you now say, okay, I think I'm sure now it's selling. You will now open multiple sell at this point now. Let's say you now put like 3 or 4 or 5 cells here. And all of a sudden, you see this buy candle happening now. At that point now, I know you'll be blaming someone from your father's compound that is innocent. And all of a sudden, you open like 3 or 4 or 5 positions. Now you're having minus 10 times 5. That is 50. 80 minus 50. You have 30 left out of your 100. At that point now, you've already burnt about 70% of your equity doing the wrong thing. Why the overall move of this market is a downward movement, is a downtrend like this. Okay, so by the time you now saw that, I'm having minus 50, you now close at minus 50, the market start coming down again. That is where you become crazy. Now, that is where the revenge trading will now become very dangerous because overall, it is a bearish trend. Okay, now, what I just said now, this example I just gave now, is what every beginner trader, most beginner traders that have not gone through proper mentorship go through, and they blow account steady back to back. Please, if you have experienced this, if you're just joining us, feel free to say yes, indicate that you are, because I am basically talking about people like you. Now, look at this now. You can see this market is, I just talked about something, forming higher lows, right? Higher lows. You can see it here. Same thing I just spoke about now, higher lows. When you see these higher lows, you should know that this is an uptrend. Yes, you shouldn't be doing anything about or counter the trend. You should know it's an uptrend. And an uptrend means the market is going up. So anything you want to do is to buy. You just want to buy. Okay, so you don't trade counter the trend. That's the first thing you should know. So since it's an uptrend, you can see this here we have a higher low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low. It is at this point that this uptrend we have here was now violated. That is where the uptrend is no more relevant. Okay, in the master class is where you get to comprehend exactly how to know this, what to do when you're there, and how to trade them effectively, like confidently. So I proceed. Now, having seen what I just analyzed here, we are clear that it's giving us a higher low. And now we have connected them comfortably, as you can see. So we now know that this is an uptrend from here. You can see we have the uptrend here connected. Okay? So this market is forming higher lows like this and higher highs. This is our uptrend identified. So now when you're taking this kind of trade, you know you have identified the trend and you're trading according to the trend. Okay? So now it is at this point that this trend direction changed. This uptrend you're seeing here now, this uptrend you're seeing here, is at this point that this uptrend changed, just exactly at this point. So why I am bringing this to you is, I hope you guys can comprehend this because I'm taking you deeper than a normal beginner trader. Thank you for the like. I don't know who did that. Please, if you're enjoying this session, click on the like, the emojis, and also share this live session and drop your questions in the comment section. I will respond to them. Drop your questions in the comment section. If you want me to talk about anything, you want me to analyze a particular pair before I leave, I should be leaving you guys by 8 p.m. I should be out there. So feel free to make use of this very golden opportunity you have now. Okay, so over here is where this trend is violated. This trend is over, just from here. So you now want to focus on the new current trend. This uptrend here is now over. We have a new downtrend, which is this. So you don't want to find yourself buying from here, because this is a trap. You can see we have these two bullish candles there. It's a trap for beginner traders to take buy. Okay, haven't seen this buy here. See buys, all buys here, and one bearish candle. See the buys here. It's a trap for beginner traders to rush in to take a buy, hoping that this market will be going up. But that is not the case. It takes a man with insight to know that this is a trap, just trick the beginner traders. And after they have gathered your trading equity, you see the market go all the way down. I take time to do this in depth, how to make you understand how the market makers play around the market before they go your way. That is after you have blown account, before they go your way. I do this in the masterclass in depthly. If you want to join the masterclass, you're free. You can get my number from the bio and hit me up on WhatsApp. But you are also free to learn here. I come here to teach you guys online and also do live analysis. And also, you guys trade live with me. As you can see, we have this running. For those that are just joining, thank you for the likes. Thank you. Please keep tapping on the likes. Keep tapping on the likes and also share. Keep tapping on the likes. Also share, please. And feel free to drop your questions because I'll be answering them as we progress. I'll be answering your questions as we progress. I'll be leaving you guys by 8 at the dot. But I promise before we leave, you must have learned a lot. Yes, sure. You cannot come to my live session without learning a lot. It's not possible. It's your mentor, DeworldFX. Today, I just want to take time to teach you guys how not to be consistently blowing that your small account. Please don't blow it. Learn what you should do and do it right. Okay, now let me come down to our current trend. Let me come down to the current market we have. So I'm going to be going to, let's say, the 4-hour. I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to be using it for my illustration. So just follow me. Good. Now, this is 4-hour. Now, in this 4-hour, if you watch, I've done my analysis. And here I have this uptrend. Mind you, I told you guys that once you see higher lows forming, is an uptrend. And what is our higher low? This is a low. This is a higher low again. Okay. So if this guy goes, this guy might come up, go again. So this will be another higher low because this place is a low. This is higher than that previous low, and this one is higher than previous low. That is what we need to identify an uptrend. Okay. Please drop a question in the comment section. So if you know you have been experiencing that, what I've just talked about, where you take your buy and the market start going, and you take a sell, the market start going by. Feel free to say yes, I'm the one. I would like to give at least 2 persons my beginner lecture note for free. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, I did this analysis currently on the 4 hour, and if you watch close, you're going to see here we have this zone playing out after our higher low has been confirmed. Okay, so we are waiting for the market to play around this zone and give us 2 options, either to sell down or to break and start being bullish. From my analysis, I came to understand that there is more bullish momentum. As you can see here, there's more bullish momentum. So what we did was to have patience and wait for confirmation of the bullish presence. Okay, so we have to wait for confirmation. Thank you for the likes, guys. Really appreciate it. Please keep liking and sharing. Like and share the live session. Like and share so we can all grow together. The more you like and share, the more it's going to spread this live session to others, and we all will learn here. I'm teaching for free. The best you can do is to appreciate what I'm doing here. Okay, so now permission. I wish I can read your comments. I can read your comments. I wish I can read your comments. Okay, I will get your comments. I'll get them. I'll reply to them. What's happening? Okay, I think I have to go back. Okay, here we are. So now what I did was, if you're just joining us, make sure you're subscribed because you really don't want to miss out when I'm coming live. We trade live together, as you can see. We trade live here and also do our analysis, and I help beginner traders grow. For the sake of the Christmas, I will be picking 3 persons for the beginner class, the free beginner class for December. I want to pick 3 persons to join the free beginner class. So if you want to be in this space, if you want to be among the 3 persons, 1, these are the things you need to do. 1, go and follow me on all the socials. Follow me on YouTube, DeworldFX, Facebook, DeworldFX, Instagram, and also TikTok at DeworldFX Academy. Okay. Once you're done that, drop a comment here on this live session that I'm interested to join the beginner class, the free beginner class. Drop it here in this live session. I am interested to join the free beginner class. I'm going to pick 3 persons to join the December beginner class for free. Okay. So let's come back to the lecture. So as you can see here now, we have a zone here that this market had been testing and respecting over a period of time. Mind you, this is a 4-hour time frame. So we want to look at what is this market direction. Okay. Mind you, if you're following us from all this while, we were on an uptrend during the daily. Okay. So on this smaller time frame, which is 4 hours, I want to know, is that uptrend, we had a downtrend, is that downtrend still continuing, or there's a change of character? The trend has changed. Is the downtrend still holding rather, or we have an uptrend currently? So now what we do is we came to a smaller time frame, which is 4 hours. And in this 4 hour now, we are now identifying that the trend is changing. The trend is changing. So how do I identify that? Is through pure price action analysis, pure technical analysis. That is the simplest way to identify a trend. You cannot identify a trend by just looking at it. A pro trader might do that to an extent. I can analyze a trend from my insights, from just looking at it to a point. But the accuracy of your analysis is when you employ the trading tools. Okay. When you employ the trading tools, that is where you are now very sure of what you are doing. So that is why I keep telling you guys, for those, okay, in my class, in the master class, I keep saying, you can never be sure of a trend until you put the tools, your analysis tools. No matter how you want to take that short sell or short buy, make sure your analysis has been done comprehensively. So I come down, let's continue with the analysis. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. As I said earlier, I will be picking at least 3 persons to join the December beginner class for free. 3 persons. So if you want to join these 3 persons, indicate in the comment section, I'm interested to join the free beginner class, and I'll pick you to join the December free beginner class. Okay? Okay, I just had to take a little water. So over here now, I identified this zone. Sorry. Yeah, I identified this zone here. The market has been playing around this zone multiple times, if you can see. So that is an area which I came to understand that, okay, this is an area of interest. We call it POI, point of interest. When you have point of interest like this, you're going to give it concentration, like you're going to give it attention so that you understand what is happening at that POI. The POI is going to be holding. If it's holding for a long time, then you are not expecting 2 things. Is the POI breaking to the upside or is breaking to the downside? That is one of these 2 must apply. So if you now see the POI giving you a new direction, then that is your interest. The next you want to look at is for confirmation on that, in that direction rather. So looking at this now, you can see I want to go to a smaller time frame, as little as the, okay, let's go to H1. So if you watch here now, you can see just at this point here, where is my arrow? Okay, here I have it. Sorry, I'm going to be doing this. Okay, okay, fine. So now, if you watch at this point here now, that is where I have my confirmation for the point of interest. That is where I see the market came to give us a good zone there. Okay, and if you watch there, that is our entry. And that is why we're having this massive result you can see here. Okay, this is, let me just take one off so you can, for those that really don't understand what they're doing, I want to close one. I'm going to be closing this now. So you just see what exactly we are doing. I'm closing this, done. Okay, so this is not, it's not recorded. It's a live session, as you can see now. So what I'm trying to say is proper analysis help you get this kind of results. Proper analysis help you get this kind of results. So this is where the entry took place, and we are writing it from here, and currently we are at this point. This is UJ, and if you can watch carefully, you can see this is UJ. Okay, so what I want to tell you at this point here now is make sure you give attention. Please, if you're joining, click on the like. Click on the emoji, guys. Click on the emoji. I appreciate what I'm doing here. This is a free session. I come here to help beginner traders to become profitable. But if you want to join the masterclass, where we take you deeper and unveil the profitable secret of traders, like unveil the secret to become a profitable trader like me and do what you can see me do on the screen here, feel free, go to my bio, go to my profile there. You're going to see my contact. You can hit me on WhatsApp. Then I'll tell you what it takes to join the masterclass. Very, very affordable, guys. Very affordable. So I still have 5 minutes to go. I want to be taking questions. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section. Please tap on the likes, tap on the emojis. Let me see you guys are appreciating what we are doing here, okay? So now, if you watch, we took a buy exactly here. I got the confirmation exactly here. I got the confirmation here, and that is where we took our entries. That's where we took our entries, and you can see holding it all the way here. So I'm expecting a long ride, but I'm going to look deeper to see how much that ride can go. So for the long ride, as I said, this is what I am looking at. Please click on the like, click on the like, click on the like, click on your emojis. Appreciate what I'm doing here. The more you do that, the more YouTube is going to share this live session to a lot of persons, and we all are going to be learning together. So now what I'm expecting from my analysis here is that this market should buy. This is the first zone you should respect, which is here. If there is more momentum, it's going to come, or this is going to buy all the way to this point, okay, before it now drop all the way down. You're going to buy. First zone is here. You can get here. If there's more momentum, you need to break and go all the way up here. But if there is no more momentum, or probably a fundamental comes, then it's going to drop all the way down, break this zone and come down. Okay, so if you're going to be selling, you're going to be buying UJ, this is your first zone of TP here. Your first zone of TP should be 151, 620, around that area should be your first TP. If you're just joining us, please make sure you're subscribed. That is for your interest, so you don't miss out whenever I come live. Click on the bell icon also, so that once I'm live, you will be notified. It's not enough to follow, but it's enough to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I'm live or whenever I post. So also, as I was saying, rather, this is the first area where at TP before we look at the overall here. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so I have 3 minutes to be with you guys before I go off. I'm feeling exhausted. So now I'm going to go back to the smaller time frame. Okay, come to each one. So I told you this is where we're looking at our overall TP is just here, around here. Okay, so you can target here for your first TP. I've given the figure. The first TP should be targeted here, and the second TP should be somewhere around here. So it's as simple as that. Analysis is very simple when you are being taught the right thing to do by a mentor that knows what they are doing. Trading is very, very simple if you are taught by a good coach. So I would love to take some questions now. If there be any, I would love to take your questions now, if there be any, before I call it today. So, yeah, your questions at this point. Okay. I will be taking 3 persons to join the beginner class for free. This December, I'm picking 3 persons to join December beginner class for free. If you want to join the beginner class for free, this December session, these are the things you need to do. Go and follow DeworldFX on all socials. TikTok, DeworldFX Academy, Instagram, DeworldFX, YouTube here, you must be following, and Facebook. Then here in this live session, just write, I'm interested to join the free beginner class. And I'm going to be picking 3 persons to do that, just 3. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. Appreciate. Appreciate, guys. Okay, I would be going off soon. I don't think we have much questions. If not, I would really answer your questions, but I don't think we have much questions, so I will be going off right away. So hopefully I'll be coming live tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to be analyzing, and we likely will be taking trades together. Yes, we will be taking trades together tomorrow. So click on the bell icon if you have not done that, so you will be notified whenever I'm live. Yes, if you don't do that, you will not be notified. So click on the bell icon, go to my profile, click on the bell icon. So tomorrow I come, we're going to be trading together, I'm going to be teaching you guys revenge trading, how dangerous revenge trading can be. Okay, how dangerous revenge trading can be. So it's 8 p.m. already. I'm going to be calling it a night. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna do well to answer to all your questions in the comment section if there be any. And I'll see you guys. Stay safe and see you when I see you. Have a lovely night, guys. Bye.